Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can hide items from the top admin bar in WordPress. Basically, we will hide these items. Something like this. Let's get started. For more WordPress content, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So we have already logged into our WordPress dashboard, and we want to remove these items from the top admin bar. And we will not use any plugins, but some simple codes. So here is the code that will hide these items from the top admin bar. But we will have to specify names to hide the specific items. Let's find the name. To remove this logo, right-click and go to Inspect Element. And click here, and navigate to the logo. Now find the ID name. So this is the ID name. We do not need this WP-admin-bar for the code. Let me copy it. Double-click on it and copy. And paste it here. Then remove this WP-admin-bar-. Likewise, if you want to remove this URL, click here and click here. Here is the ID. Copy it. Paste it here. And remove the WP-admin-bar. If you want to remove more items, like these are from my theme, click here and get the ID name. Copy this line and paste at the bottom. Now copy the name. Paste it here. And remove this. So you can hide any items you want. Let me hide this too. Get the ID. I will paste it at the bottom. Copy this line. And now paste in the name. Now copy the whole code. And go to Appearance and Theme File Editor. Go to Theme Functions. Scroll down. And paste the code here. So it should hide the logo, site name, extensions, and the username. Update file. The file has been updated. Let me open the dashboard in the new tab. So you can see all these items are hidden. So it was like this earlier. And now it is all gone. You can hide as many items using this code. Hope this video helped. Thank you very much.